Hey guys, it's Mrs. Applegarth, and we are back with our uh, chapter 3, lesson 1 notes. We're talking average monthly expenditures. So, our lesson objective, you guys make sure you write this down, is to compute the average monthly expenditure. Do you think both businesses and individuals should keep track of financial records? Why or why not? Susan Han owns a clothing boutique. She tracks her company's monthly expenses with computer software. She files her receipts, invoices, and bills. Susan also uses this information when she prepares her company's tax returns. It's really important to know how much you spend every month so that you can make a prediction and get a budget together so you are not caught by surprise when you want to spend some stuff. You might write things down in order to remember them tomorrow morning or next week. Think of utilizing the same memory device and applying it to your money. Record keeping is a way for you to manage your money. It involves keeping track of items you spend money on or your expenditures. So spend money on expenditures. It has the word inside of it. During a period of time. The tool you use is a budget sheet on which you record your expenses, usually on a monthly basis. By budgeting, you can find out how you have spent your money and how much money you need for living expenses. These include amounts for food, utility bills. Utilities are your gas, electricity, gas that for your inside your house, electricity, water, and pocket money. Record your expenditures on a notepad or computer spreadsheet on the day you make them. At the end of the day, you'll have a record of what you've spent. Then at the end of the month, group them and total them. Then you can calculate your average monthly expenditure. So write this formula down. Your average monthly expenditure is when you sum all of your monthly expenditures and divide it by the number of months. With this information, you can make a budget, which is a plan for using money in a way that best meets your wants and needs. A budget, which is a plan for using your money. So let's take a look. Selena and Trent keep records of their expenditures. See this figure? I put it on this next page. They want to know how much they spend each month on average for various categories. Here are their records for 3 months. What is their average monthly electric bill? So we're going to go to their little chart and we're going to track the electric bill. So 121.47, 153.56, and 125.88. Because some things aren't the same every month, like their mortgage is the same every month, but their electricity a little bit different. Phone and internet, a little bit different. They must have had an international call this month. Groceries can differ. So based upon what season you're in, the prices of things may change, which is why it's important to find the average. So here's that 121.47, 153.56, and 125.88. We're going to add them all together and divide by 3. So all those top numbers added together gives you $491. We're going to divide that by 3, and we get $133.64 on average for their electric bill. And we live in California, and in our house, we like to run the air conditioner during these months, July, August, and September. So our electric bill goes up because of our, during those months because of our air conditioner. But in the winter, we have a wood stove. So our electricity goes down in the winter because we are heating our house with a wood stove and not the central heating. All right, we're going to do 3 practice problems using this little chart here. We are going to find the average monthly expenditure for the credit cards. And we just have to kind of find all those numbers here. For groceries, I'll color code them for you. And for home repairs. Is it possible that we don't have a home repair every month? It could be a good month for home repairs. Okay, so let me get my other pen. I'll write this down. So credit cards are $121.74 plus $298.65 plus $171.28. We add all those together. $704 plus $298.65 plus $171.28. And we get $591.67. We are going to divide that by 3 because that's how many months we're looking at. If we were only doing, like if we were doing half of a year, it would be 6 months. If we were doing a quarter, that would be, well, this is a quarter, it'd be 3 months for a quarter. All right, we get $197.22. All right, we're going to do that same thing with groceries. The first number is that 275. Second groceries is 319. And third groceries is 285.92. We're going to add all those together. Boom. We get $879.92. And we're going to divide it by 3 months because that's how many months we're looking at. So finding the average monthly expenditure, and we get $293.31. Okay, home repairs. Here's the kicker. There's 0 home repairs in July, so we start with 0. Then we go $275.68. Then we go $96.45. So just because we don't have it that month doesn't mean we don't track it. So 0, 275, 68, and 96.45. 372.13. And we're going to divide that by 3. We get 124.04. All right, you guys are going to continue that. On this practice problem. Should go pretty quick. So this is a situation where May, June, July, August, and September. So that is 5 months. So make sure when you're finding the average, you divide by 5. All right. And that is our lesson for today. Thank you guys so much.